Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip focusing on gold and silver as usual, and I want to mention that I'm going to open the special offer in light of the Memorial Day and also the holiday that we have in the UK. I'll be opening it for 2 weeks, so if you're interested, please stay on. After the clip ends, I will provide more details. I hope you enjoy the clip and have a great break. Bye now. This is silver on the daily scale. Silver, in my opinion, is still showing us that the bias down is the dominating force really here. The base still in command, in my opinion. The price action that we have seen in the last several weeks here is simply corrective to the big plunge that we have seen here. My preferred reading at this point is that this is an A, and that's a B, and I'm taking this to be another 1. I think that there is a B, possibly even complete, around here. Do you see? If that's correct, the coming week is going to see silver surging, but not necessarily going into a breakout here, but surging into the extent of giving us a jump above 16.83 and basically delivering the C. Do you see that? So that's your A, that's your B, that's your C. Alternatively, it could be that we are dealing with a following structure. We have an ABC, fine. The triangle that I spotted here could turn into an X. And then silver will continue higher, but will not continue in a 5-wave move that I described that will go like that, but would actually go into another ABC structure that would look like that. Do you see what we got here? So you'll get another structure like that, popping its head above this level, but not, as I said, in a 5-wave structure, but rather in a 3-leg move. And then I would expect, if the correction is done, of course, I would expect silver to plunge, and plunge hard under 16.1. I'm wrong, and my analysis requires rethink if it manages to climb above 17.35, okay, and obviously if it doesn't follow through with an attempt to recover here, but it continues to plunge in the coming week, it just goes straight down. Obviously that will call for reassessment of the wave count, and this remains at this point in time remains a critical level for you to watch, 16.05. Okay, it breaks through that level, we almost guaranteed to see a move down to 15.6 and potentially a lot lower. I want to show you the 60-minute structure, and you see how I went on subdividing the price action here, and why I think that there is a fair chance that we are looking basically at a base building here that would lead to a jump in silver, short-term jump. That's the hourly. So here we have crystal clear 3 legs. Okay, I think you agree with that. We have an ABC. Fine, we came down. It appears to me that everything that took place here basically formed a near ideal shape of a triangle, with this being an A, B, C, D, E. Okay, do you see that? And I think that the next important move is likely to be like that. That will be very interesting and could actually represent a big trap. Should it come down and sink in this way, that will become a fantastic sell right here. Okay, it almost certainly tell you that it's going to recheck the floor and potentially go a lot lower. Now here's gold. That is the daily scale of gold. There are 2 possible wave counts here. If gold breaks in the coming week, and I would say it'll break almost immediately. Monday, Tuesday is not looking left, not looking right, just boom down, and it breaks through this level, 1281.5 or so, then it's quite possible that we have a structure right from the top here of a 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Alternatively, if it holds, and we see in fact the correlation that I explained to you before working out, for example, we'll see the dollar going into some weakness of several days. We will see the euro strengthening. We will see potentially the US dollar and Japanese yen turning down. then take it that with such a background, it's almost certainly the case that gold and silver will mount a rally. Again, I'm not expecting spectacular breakout here in gold. I could be wrong. I think that what we should expect within the circumstances here, if it manages to lift its head above this level, then it's probably going to run towards at most 1325 or so. Okay, there is quite a lot of resistance at this level. You can see horizontal resistance. That's going to be a mighty obstacle for it to climb. Might pop its head above this intraday or something, but I would suspect it's not going to build a base above this level and above this mounting line. You see this upsloping line. So all in all, I think that there is a fair chance that that's going to end up being one, and what we are seeing here is a mess. I'm saying a mess, it's composed of several ABCs, etc., that will form the second wave. We have the 50 moving average here coming down. We have the 200 moving average basically playing as support right here, and resistance, very clear resistance. There were 4 days where the price action either attempted and failed or managed actually to run above the 200 moving average. I hope you can see that intraday, and then failed and closed under. So this is an important element for you to observe. And now I will go to the 60 minutes and we'll have a look. The pattern, in my opinion, is really reminiscent of what we are seeing in silver, which is to say that it is a base building, most likely preparing for another attempt to go high here at 1308. So I'm reading here A, B, C with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am reading this. This is an A. That's a B as far as I'm concerned, with an A, B, C, D, E right here. Now, if this is the complete C that composes the A, B, C like that, okay, then we should see early Monday recovery above 1300, which is right here. If it is not, there is room here for it to weaken slightly, but it's got no business going back down. Okay, that will call for reassessment of the wave count, definitely, especially if it breaks under 1282 in a spectacular way. Forget it. This is going to continue quite a lot lower. Okay, but otherwise, I think that the support, horizontal support that you see at this level, is likely to hold, and my bet is going to come back. It's going to gather the strength to recover and eventually climb above 1308 and continue with the process of terminating the second wave. Hello, I'm back here with some details concerning the offer that I mentioned earlier. If you're interested, you need to get onto my website. You do that by going on to www.wavemastery.com. That's the homepage, and the offer specifically is to be found under subscribe here as a special promotional offer, or under resources. It's right at the bottom, the last tab. So you click on that, and then you have the details. You see it expires on the 11th of June. If you have seen it before and you have not taken action, this is an opportunity for you to check it out. Otherwise, read please through that. You will see all the details. The only thing is, if you come from the USA, UK, and Belgium and other non-EU countries, you don't have to pay the VAT, so you get really the low price, which is 79 euro per month instead of 159. VAT charges are applicable only to EU citizens. It's funny, Belgium is excluded because I'm based in Belgium, so there is an arrangement. Otherwise, read through that. If you come, let's say, from the US, all you have to do, you choose this tab if you go for the daily service. If you go for the weekend service, and read through what that implies, you get a trial in either case. For the daily, you get a trial 7 days for just $9.99. euros. For the weekend service, you get a trial of 2 weeks for $4.99, but that really gives you access only to the weekend videos. From time to time I add some bonus video midweek, but you can't always count on that. So for example, you want to have the trial, you want to try what's going on for 7 days, and you want to see if you like it. You don't have to do anything, then it will trigger the plan, the reduced price plan, that will be good for 12 monthly discounted payments. Okay, so that's good really for 1 year. You just click on that, that takes you to the page of the payment. You will see here special offer. It starts with a trial, then it kicks in the plan. That's my official name. Okay, so it's going to me, everything is fine. If you have a PayPal account, it should be no problem. If you don't have a PayPal account, get in touch with me. I can still receive money through Skrill, and we'll see if there is other way for you to pay. You want to arrange, it depends, but the easiest is really PayPal, because then you're really registered on the website and everything is automated. You know, it's just easy. Okay, so after you pay, you fill in the form. It takes you back to my website. You choose, you log in, and you need to get in touch with me once you do that, because there is an extra layer of security, and I will provide you the necessary information to have full access to everything. Okay, so let's go back to the website here. If you like just to stroll around here, there are a few articles you might want to take a look. Is this website for me? Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? Right here, resources. There are lots and lots of charts under Chart Galore. You might like to take a look at that. There is the recommended reading list, useful links, private policy, very standard terms of use. Private policy, I don't mess up with your email, with your details. I don't do anything with it. You just go on PayPal, you pay. All I need is just that you fill in the form properly, because if you are from the EU, I need to know from where you're coming. If you're outside the EU, I also need to know, because if there's a VAT check on me, you know, so I need to show if you are due for VAT payments or not. So I really appreciate if you give me the details. And that's basically it. If you have any question, really don't hesitate. Get in touch with me. Here's the contact us. Name, email address, message, fill in that little thing here. Please check that your email is correct. I had a guy contacting me about a week ago and asked me some questions, but I couldn't get back to him because the email didn't work. So I don't know what he did. He didn't give me the right email. It's a shame. I want to help. I want to reply to your questions, but you've got to make sure you give me the right email, okay? Other than that, I look forward to see you on my website. I can help you whichever level you are. Even if you are very advanced, I can still, I believe, help you. We can exchange some ideas, and I think it will be beneficiary to you. So that's all for now. Enjoy your break and enjoy the clip. Have a great time. Bye now.